Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to group text in Canva. This is canva.com, and first I will create a new design. Let's go with this square template. Now let's add our first text, and the second text is a subheading. To group these two texts in Canva, simply select both of them like that, or select the first one and hold shift and select the second text. Now click on the right button of your mouse just like that and select group. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also this other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Select group. Now these two texts are grouped into one text. As you can see, if I move one of them, the other one is also selected and moved. And this is how to group text in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.